You must see this completely remodeled condo. This end unit just had Florida-approved Category 5 hurricane shutters and updated plumbing installed in late 2018. Come see this condo that is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom with 1,400 square feet heated and cooled. This condo features an open concept with new black steel stainless LG kitchen appliances, including a glass top and front washer and dryer, impressive white cabinets, generous black countertops, stainless and black steel hardware complete the design. Designer lighting and ceiling fans, fresh paint, tile, baseboards and hardware continue throughout. 2 full bathrooms feature completely updated showers, a new tub, new designer vanity, sinks and faucets, new mirrors and designer lighting. The Florida room is glass screened under AC for privacy for a total of 1,400 square feet. Tavares Ridge Condo dues are considerably lowest in the area and cover lawn maintenance, community pool, roof, roads, insurance, outside. Children and pets are permitted in Tavares Ridge. See TCHRA Rules for pet and other guidelines.